My name is Brent Lineberger, Lineberger's Tree Service Incorporated. I'm an owner-operator. We started the business around 1992 in Raleigh, North Carolina. When we first started out, we bought well-used equipment and then repurposed it, fabricated a lot of stuff. Through the years, we've reinvested into better, safer equipment for the employees to work with, always trying to do better work all the time. The heart and soul of our equipment fleet, we have 3 Vermeer chippers, we have 3 Vermeer mini skid steers, and then an associate of accessory type equipment, self-propelled lifts, bucket trucks, etc. We choose Vermeer because of the extraordinary support that we've had from our local Vermeer store, as well as the high quality machinery.
I mean, we're constantly using the mini skids and of course the chippers every day, and they've done good for us.
At the end of the day, it's the relationships that we've had with Vermeer through the years. For us, it has been supporting us not only as individuals, but then Vermeer also gives back so much to our industry. It's a win-win situation. We're very impressed with the SC48TX. The size of the machine, the power that it has, the maneuverability, it really fits the basic stump grinding that we're doing day in and day out.
It's a good stump grinder for doing your everyday stump grinding.
So far, the crew has been very impressed with it.
My favorite thing about the SC48 would be how quick you can turn on and off the wheel.
It's easy to work on, relatively low maintenance. It's a fast grinder. The wireless remote control has been a game changer for us, and it just does the job without us having to work on it a lot.
The SC48TX has allowed us to get stumps done quicker and get on to the next stump or the next job for the day.
I think the grinder is a really good fit for a business similar to ours, where we do just a wide array of small trees up to big trees, because we can get into really tight spots with it and do the jobs that we need to. It's not a huge machine that's burdensome to tow around on a daily basis. It's very easy to use, very easy to train, but it will also handle those larger trees. It'll handle those larger stumps.